How to find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your bank statement. Your RBC transit number can be found on any physical bank statement you have received in the mail. It's usually listed near your account information. Method 2. Look at your checks. Your transit number is printed on the bottom left of your RBC check. It's a 5-digit number that comes right before your account number and institution number. Method 3. Contact RBC customer service. You can call the RBC customer service number found on their website. Provide them with your account details and they will give you transit number. Give RBC a call and speak with a representative. They will be able to assist you in finding your transit number. Method 4. Visit your local RBC branch. A bank representative can provide you with your transit number. Just bring your account information and a piece of ID. Well, these are the ways to find transit number on Royal Bank of Canada account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.